Well, we spoke also about the regulator, the regulations, and how you can protect the clients, and how TradersTrust trying to keep clients' funds safe. One of the biggest questions that always comes, especially for beginners trader, is about the trading condition.
Yeah.
And many traders only focus about the spreads, but they don't see what brokers have other ways, alternative way to take, let's say, some money from them, or it's not just about the spread. The execution is important, the slippage is important, and I want to make it clear. I want you to explain today to the traders that they are watching, beginners or experienced, what is the business model of TradersTrust, and why spread is not the only factor that you have to consider when you're trading.
Okay. Again, I will come back to my experience as a trader. Me, as a trader, I'm trading even with, let's say, the MT4 and with the mobile. And time to time, I'm showing to my friends when I trade. And always the first question that they are telling me, how fast it is. When you push a trade, is instant execution. Yeah. So this is one, let's say, so now you are talking about spread. So for me, let's say, as a trader, what I would like is that when I push the button, I have the closest price that I had at that moment. Simple, okay? I will not, at the end, you are not looking for whatever. Now, people should know that when you put stop loss, take profit, when you put orders in the market, of course you will have slippage, because what is the next price?
Yeah.
In fact, the system triggers the price and will pay you the next one, basically. This is, let's say, to make it simple. So it can be up, high, and this is another factor, let's say. Me, personally, I don't trade with orders. I trade just on, off, and that's it. Because sometimes there is a small movement of the market, and your order is triggered, is recovered. So I am not an order trader. I like to trade. You just buy and sell. That's it. This is my after, let's say, if it's depending, let's say, the transactions that I want to do, if it's more for investment or for trading, I'm talking here about trading. Let's say short-term trading. Mm-hmm. This is one thing. After, let's say, I have noticed it. I mean, these are clients that they're telling me. It's not that I notice myself. I cannot test everything. We have a lot of feedback from people. They say, each time I trade, I can count 1, 2, and 3. So if you can count 1, 2, and 3, your trade has done already 10 times the round of the world. Because we are talking in milliseconds. Yeah. After, let's say, the people they are saying about, are you STP, not STP, market maker, what is the best? I will say again and again, the biggest broker are hybrid model, let's say. I mean, so I am not against the market maker, and I am not against the STP, and I am not against, let's say, I think the best case scenario for clients is their experience. You click, you get the price, you make your withdrawal, and you get your money, then you are on the right place. I mean, the biggest broker, I mean, even the listed one, IG and so on, they are all, let's say, market makers by definition. And usually by market makers is from where, let's say, if they apply the rules, even though after, let's say, they put some latency because there are a lot of abusers in the market. But most of the time, good execution. And you can have good execution, what I want to say, with, let's say, STP broker, market maker broker. But you should know that the market maker will make money from your losses, sorry.
That's exactly the point.
This is the only...